Hello friends, here are the best storage solution for small bedrooms. First of all, you have vertical storage that include floor to ceiling shelves and stackable storage units like plastic bins and wooden crates. Then number 2 is underbed storage. Underbed storage drawers or bins or bed risers with underbed storage. Next is a turn for closet organization, for which you need two double rods for maximum hanging space and shelf dividers for organized closet shelves. And you also need closet organizer system with shelves, drawers and hanging rods. Now you need to add multifunctional furniture that includes storage beds with built-in drawers or shelves, ottomans with storage for throw blankets, pillows and out-of-season cloths, and also desks with storage for a clutter-free workplace. You will also be needing some hidden storage headboards with built-in shelves or cabinets, and hidden storage compartments in the furniture pieces, for example, storage coffee table or storage bench. Lastly, there comes DIY storage solutions that include repurposed crates or boxes for unique storage solutions, and pegboards for hanging items like pegs, accessories, and cleaning supplies. Also add hanging organizers, for example, shoe organizer or hanging baskets for sorting clothes, accessories, and linings. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribe the channel as well. Kindly share the video with your friends and family and stay tuned for next video. You can also suggest a topic for which you want to see a video. We'll be waiting for your response. Thank you so much.